Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Be aware, because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you will have to add it right now, or you can do it using the settings. You can also check our tutorial of how to do it if you don't want to do it on your own. Let me quickly enter the password, and then we can proceed with the next steps. Okay, so here we are again. We are logged in, so all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. And here we've got the section called Updates available. So you can either tap on Update All, and without knowing what kind of apps will update, but I highly recommend simply tapping on it, so you can open this list of apps with available updates, and basically you can update them all here just by tapping on this option, or you can choose specific app and tap on Update next to it. So for example, Google Messages, Gmail, and maybe Amazon. And as you can see, at the top right now, we've got those apps which will download the updates, and they will be successfully and automatically installed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.